Hello Vivekians, how are you all? Welcome back to School from Home program. I hope you all are doing great and staying safe at home. This is your English class and I am here again, your Vanda ma'am. So dear kids, as you all know that chapter 4 is going on and we have already covered back exercise till let's try 9. We have learnt about phonics, bossy R, word power and making sentences. Yesterday we learnt about sentence making and today we will start with the course book page number 54. Open your course book page number 54. Think and share. First of all, put today's date, that is 7th August, and then start. Think and share. You know that Prakash was shy? What other qualities did he have? Discuss these qualities and write them on this chart. You can add more circles if you like. Okay, before doing this activity, kids, we must have to recall the chapter. The chapter was about Prakash, who was a peacock, and he was very shy to dance in front of anyone. His friends and his classmates, other peacocks, often made fun of him. So he cried under a jamun tree. Suddenly, one day, rain and thunder came and he felt happy and started to dance. He danced so gracefully. All his classmates and teachers clapped for him and praised him. After that, his shyness faded away. So this was the chapter and story. So you have to write down those qualities in these boxes or in these circles shown here. So kids, when we go through the story, we came to know that Prakash was shy. The first one is shy. It is already written here. And the second one we can say he was a very good dancer. You can write here good dancer. Next circle, next quality you can write Prakash was sensitive. He was sensitive because when other peacocks made fun of him, he ran away and started to cry. In the last circle, you can write that Prakash was afraid of other peacocks. Afraid means darna. Prakash was afraid of other peacocks that they will laugh at him. Now let's move to the next page, page number 55. Descriptive writing. What is a descriptive writing? Descriptive writing is to describe something. किसी चीज़ के बारे में, उसकी क्वालिटीज़ के बारे में लिखना, उसे describe करना. It is called descriptive writing. So let's start. Let's try 11. You have discussed all the qualities Prakash had and written them on the chart. Using those qualities, write 5 sentences describing Prakash. आपने already प्रकाश की क्वालिटीज़ प्रीवियसली थिंक एंड शेयर में लिख ली हैं, तो उन्हीं क्वालिटीज़ को यूज़ करके आपको 5 सेंटेंसेस प्रकाश को डिस्क्राइब करते हुए लिखने हैं in the given space. You have to write 5 sentences on Prakash. The first sentence can be Prakash is very shy. So you can make sentences like this. Now kids, we have done all the exercises in course book. Now move to the practice book. Page number 29, my turn 6. Put today's date, 7th August. Make complete sentences of your own by telling what the subject is doing. One has been done for you. As you all know that we have done sentence making, so you have to use those steps for forming the sentences. First one is already done for you. A. The brown dog dash dash. The brown dog ran away. I am just giving you an idea. You can use your sentences of your own. Next one is the plane went dash dash. So you can write in this sentence, the plane went up into the sky. The plane went up into the sky. Next is people like to dash. People like to sleep early. We can write here people like to sleep early. We can write people like to dance and other sentence, whatever you want to make. Now come to page number 30. Think and write descriptive writing. My turn 7. How do you feel when it rains? What do you like to do? Write your answers in 3 and 4 sentences. बारिश जब होती है तो आप कैसा फील करते हो? आपको क्या करना अच्छा लगता है? इसमें आपको 3-4 सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं. जैसे एग्जाम्पल के लिए मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि जब रेन होती है तो हाउ डू आई फील. I feel very happy when it rains. I like to watch the rain falling in my garden. I like to get wet in the rain and I also like to eat hot pakoras. आप भी ऐसे ही कुछ sentences बनाकर लिख सकते हैं. Now come to I see, I understand. My turn 8. Look at the picture below and write 5 sentences about what is happening in the picture. आपको नीचे ये पिक्चर दिख रही है ना? You can see the picture. आपको ये पिक्चर देखनी है और 5 सेंटेंसेस लिखनी हैं कि इस पिक्चर में क्या हो रहा है. द स्पेस इज गिवन इन पेज नंबर 31. यू हैव टू राइट हियर. सो डियर किड्स, दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. वी हैव completed chapter 4, Prakash the Peacock. Dear parents, kindly assist your kids in their work. Don't write answers for them. Let them do their work on their own. Read the given instructions carefully. We will meet soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you and bye bye.